Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla and the D Rex in a hybrid. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla D Rex combo, let's begin with the face. So I'm going to start right over here with the eye. So I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down. I'm going to bring it back to here. Next, let's go ahead and make a little curve for the eye like this. Then let's go ahead and make some little lines kind of underneath it. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps like this, just for some detail above the eye. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of come out, and then I'm going to bring this down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and down, then we're going to bring it back up and then down here. Next, up here we're going to make just a little detail like that for the nose. Next, I'm going to curve this line down here, and we're going to bring this back. I'm going to bring this line down and up. We're going to make a couple little wiggly lines, and we're going to bring this up to here. Let's make a couple little lines that come down like this for the back of the mouth. Then we're going to add some sharp teeth in here. We're going to make these different sizes too, just to kind of give it a little bit more detail. So we're going to put a lot of detail and different teeth in there. Then we're going to make this line come up and down, back up and down for the tongue. Next, I'm going to make a couple lines, and then I'm going to bring this line up and then over here. And we're going to do that same thing, kind of bring this up and then back a few times for some detail. Next, I'm going to curve this line down and then up here, and we're going to do that same thing just to kind of give it a cool looking effect. Next, I'm going to make a big curved line right here for the shoulder. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down here. I'm going to make this line come down. Now I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up here and then back down. Now I'm going to make this line come down to a claw and back. Then we're going to make this one come down to another claw and then back here. I'm going to bring this line in. I'm going to make this line come up, make a little bump, and then we're going to curve it up here. Let's go ahead and add some claws on here, and let's add a little line or two behind it just to kind of add some detail. Next, for those kind of extra arms, let's bring this line down. And then instead of it just being 2, let's add 3 claws on here. We're going to bring this back and up to here. We'll do that same thing, add those extra lines on there. Then same thing, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to make those extra little claws on here and bring this back up. We'll add some little lines for claws. Then I'm going to make the other arm up here, and I'm going to make this big sharp claw coming down. And we're going to make another one here, and then one more here. I want to bring this up and in, and I'm going to bring this over and then up. We'll add some extra little lines in here just for a little bit of detail. Next, I'm going to kind of continue these bumpy lines up, and then we're going to bring these down to here. I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve over, and then we're going to make that back leg. We're going to make this line come down and then back here. We'll angle it back, and then we'll start the claws on here. We'll do 1, 2, and then 3 claws. Let's angle this line up and kind of curve in with a couple lines, and then we'll bring this back up. Now we're just going to kind of bring this line down here and then up for the tail with a couple little lines here. I'm going to make this other leg right here. We'll bring this down, and we're going to put 1 and then 2 claws here. We'll bring this up and then over. On the feet, we'll do those claws with those extra lines just like we did onto the front. We'll add some extra little lines right here on the arms and on the legs just for a little bit of detail. Now let's work on these spikes. So I'm going to begin by making just a few kind of small jagged spikes that are going to get a little bit bigger as they come up here. And I'm making these just a little bit more pointed than normal. Then we're going to make them get small again, coming down here. So we're just going to bring these all the way down. Next, I'm going to make some bigger pointed spikes back here just for some fun detail. Put another one right up here. Then I like to just add some extra little lines on here, kind of right where the points meet, just to kind of give it some detail, and even some lines kind of coming up as well. Next, let's come in here and add some detail. Let's kind of add some lines coming right around the neck here. Let's add some lines coming right around the top and the bottom part of the mouth. Let's make some curves right around the nose. And let's make some lines that come back here and some lines that come down here. We'll make these little broken lines coming up and down the arms. And then a few little extra lines coming right across here. Kind of add some depth onto our Godzilla D Rex character. Let's add some more little lines here. And then let's add some curves right on here where like the knees would be. Let's add some little lines here. And some broken lines kind of coming right down here. And we're going to add some little kind of lines coming right around here as well. And some lines coming down. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Godzilla and D Rex hybrid or combo mashup style. If you'd like to see any more of these fun designs between Godzilla characters and Jurassic World Rebirth dinosaurs, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try some out for you. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.